how to find out your Spotify password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find out our Spotify password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to find out our Spotify password, of course, Spotify is not going to give us our password. But what we can do is, if you are lucky, you might have happened to save the password in your browser. So when you go to spotify.com in your browser where all of your account is synced, and then you go to the login page, and then you just tap on this password option, and then you enter your password here. After you enter, you can see in my case I have a saved password. Then I can just tap this I button here to view what my current password is. But this is only in very rare cases if you have happened to save your password. Now if you haven't happened to save your password, you can't see your password on Spotify, and the only way you can get and log into your account is by resetting your password. So you can go to this forgot your password button instead, and then you can just choose to reset your password. Tap the send option to send a code to your email, and then reset your password in that way. Otherwise, you can't view your current password. So this way you should be able to find out what your Spotify password is. I also gave you some other alternative. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.